straightforward timing belt job. It's just that it got some debris stuck under the belt, and it launched the timing about 2 or 3 teeth in both directions. It does have timing marks, so all you have to do is make sure belt falls into the teeth where they would land up. And this one is almost there. In the red is how far off it jumped timing. So the blue is...
So really you're trying to do the blue and the red now.
When it first came in, the timing marks are on here. So I just marked it. I want to go see how far off it was. Now I'm just trying to get everything to line back up. Morbidly enough, there's still fur in bits and pieces. How is this scattered on the ground? So it gets under the belt, like so. And it creates just enough tension. This is up enough. So it just...
This car not been run?
Look at the tail lights, they're pink.
Been out in the sun for a while.
So I think the new owner wants to bring a little bit more life into it. So this is a C30. This one, there's not much room. You can jack it up and then you gotta suspend it, or else you have the whole weight. The master Volvo technician diagnosed it.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
The reason why I did the 2 separate colors was to actually show the customer, like, hey, it was out. So that way, you know, a little bit of confidence and everything. Visually, you know, confirming. Most manufacturers, they have some kind of hash mark. So this mark lines up with this hash mark here.
Yep.
And if you line it up, you'll see it perfectly. And, well, the nut's here, but
Yep.
that's the idea. There'd be a mark somewhere over here. That's the only mark to give you. And then now, we just tension the tensioner. I'm going to be cutting in.
Would you look at that?
That's
Money. Looks set.
good. And that's good. You can kind of see bluish.
Yep.
So that red was how far off it was before, like we were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Wow.